Rocket Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook, smart, simple, and built for 2025. Looking for a laptop that's fast, lightweight, and budget-friendly? The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook has you covered. Whether you're a student, professional, or everyday user, this Chromebook makes work and play effortless. Sparkles why it's a smart choice. Crystal clear visuals, enjoy movies, classes, or work on a sharp 14 Full HD, 1920 by 1080. Display, powerful efficient, the 8-core MediaTek Companio 520 CPU delivers. Smooth performance for multitasking, always connected, with Wi-Fi 6, get faster, more reliable internet for streaming, meetings, and browsing, plenty of storage. Comes with 64 GB eMMC plus an extra 256 GB micro SD card for all your files, projects, and apps, portable practical, lightweight design with 4 GB RAM for speed and all-day productivity. Briefcase perfect for students, business professionals, and anyone who needs a dependable Chromebook that won't slow you down. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3.